welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, I'm HelenOnFleek and I'm not your typical beauty vlogger. And for today's video, yes, I'm so excited to share with you guys another makeup haul. Kasi guys, sale na naman sa Lazada. So, hindi na naman ako nakapagpigil sa pagbili ng mga bagong makeup. Hindi lang makeup yung mga nakuha ko guys. Kasi meron din silang mga nakasale na pang hair, pang kuko, mga skincare, ganyan. Sobrang daming nakasale guys. So, syempre, as a gastador, hindi tayo makakapagpigil sa mga pagbibili ng mga bagong makeup. Every sale, ito yung time na nakakakita ko ng mga brand na kunyari, noon parang alanganin pa ako. Ngayon, bilang naka-sale na siya, ito na yung chance ko matry siya. Sobrang dami kong nakuha items, guys, para talaga ako magtatayo ng department store sa aking shopping cart pag nakita nyo, nakakaloka. Pero syempre, sa channel na to, hindi lang naman tayo gumagastos, hindi lang tayo bastang gastador, guys. Kailangan gastadora with a cost tayo, oo. For today's video, I will be sharing to you guys kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga bagsak presyong makeup items na nakuha ko sa Lazada sale. We will apply it on our face, i-wear test din natin sila para makita nyo ang full experience with these super sale makeup items and beauty products sa Lazada. So if you're interested to see the results, please keep on watching! Nakaka-guilty pag nakikita mo kung gaano karami itong makeup na ito. Halos masuka na ang box sa dami ng mga makeup na nasa loob nito, guys. Malay mo, nasa loob ng box na ito ang ating newest holy grail, diba? Na pwede natin i-share dito sa channel na ito. Oh my gosh, guys! So, may mga ano na ako dito, repurchase. I also have hair products. Lalo na to, itong mga wet brush. Lagi sila nakikita sa Watsons. And yung mga detangler kasi, ito yung mga kailangan ng hair ko dahil, di ba nga, medyo matigas na siya from coloring. So, yung mga detangler kasi, ang lambot ng bristles niya. So, hindi talaga manlalaban yan sa hair. Ganyan. I have here some of my favorite makeup remover. Ito, vanilla ko. And also, the whip soap, guys. Kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang facial soap, I really recommend this whip soap, guys. Siguro nakakatatlong bars na ako ng whip soap ng Snail White. So, I also have items from Pop Studio. Ito sinasabi ko na medyo hesitant ako nung una, pero dahil on sale na siya, yan, this is my time to try the Pop Studio. I have a lot of items from EB. I really love EB kasi ang affordable niya and I'm super proud na they're a local brand and ang gaganda na nung mga products na nilalabas nila. And for the first time, I will be trying the Chris collection. And guys, isa po to, sobrang must add to cart nyo itong beauty blender. Kasi guys, naka-sale sila, diba? Ang beauty blender, almost 1,000 pesos. Pero naka-sale sila, guys. So, ayan, I got myself a new one because you have to change your beauty blender, guys, every 3 months kung ayaw nyong magkaroon ng kung anumang kakaiba dyan sa mukha nyo. Some Vice Cosmetics, ito mga sets. I also got some sheet masks, BLK products na mga lipsticks, and also this Clio na lipstick, guys. Nung nakita ko pa lang to, yung swatch niya, grabe, sabi ko talaga, I really need to get this shade. Ito, perfect siya na pang everyday na medyo nude-ish. Yan. Pak! Diba? Super nice. Parang siyang warm na peach na medyo brown. And ang ganda nung ano niya, packaging niya, parang Chanel na lipstick. Diba nga? So, I'll be creating an easy na pang-errands look. Well, errands. Mga pang-everyday look lang from the products na nakuha ko from the sale. So, for my base, I will be using the Elana Blur Makeup Primer. Isa to sa aking holy grail na makeup primers, especially in reducing the appearance of the pores. And I'm so happy na nakuha ko siya on sale, guys. So, nilalagay ko lang yung blur primer on my T-zone and areas na malalaki yung aking pores. For my base, I will be using the Face Shop Miracle Finish Oil Control Cushion. Sana tamang ang shade match. And matagal ko na nakikita tong cushion na to sa mall. Pero, alam niyo yun, minsan parang wala pa sa budget ko yung bilhin yan. And itong meron na siyang sale, di ginrab ko ng chance, di ba? So, I'm expecting na mag-matte down itong ano. Kita niyo ba, guys? I'm loving the coverage. Oh my God. I'm so impressed, guys, sa coverage nitong cushion na to. Hindi siya yung katulad ng ibang mga BB na walang coverage, guys. Kitang-kita nyo na wala yung redness and yung mga veins na tatakpan niya. And also, parang hindi ko na kailangan mag-conceal, guys. Nakikita nyo yung darkness itong circle ko. Ito. And for our kilay, I will be using the Chris collection from Ever Belena. I'm so excited to try this one kasi nakita ko ang dami magagandang reviews about it. But again, since medyo hesitant pa ako bumili ng bagong makeup noon, ngayon titry ko na siya habang naka-sale siya. This is their brow liner and their brow gel. And na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga ganito, mga 2-in-1 products. Creamy siya, madali siyang i-glide sa aking brows. Wow! Not bad. Yes! Nakikita nyo ba yung difference, guys? In fairness dito, Let's see the brow gel kung ma-hold up niya ating brows. Kung ako sa inyo, bago pa mawala yung collection na to sa mga mall, i-hoard nyo na. Yes! I love it. I love the pangkilay. I would recommend 100%. So now for the eyes, I'm so excited to try this. It's the Pop Studio na eyeshadow palette. This is the palette Notes. This is their Day to Night eyeshadow palette. And dahil sweet girl lang tayo, I will be using the eyeshadow. So black. Chareng! So, ito muna yung gagamitin natin na shade. Ayan, ito. Not bad for a matte eyeshadow. Though hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented, yung parang pagka-dip mo pa lang ay parang, oh my gosh, kailangan mo pa siyang i-build. Yung mga ganong eyeshadow kasi, especially kung hindi ka pa ganun ka-confident mag-eyeshadow, ganito yung mga klaseng eyeshadow na pwedeng pang testing, ganyan. And then, ilalagay ko tong pink shimmer. Wala kasi mga shade names. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa inner. For this eyeshadow, medyo kailangan ko pa siyang i-build up. Which is weird kasi pag shimmers, dapat mas pigmented siya compared sa matte. At least na-try ko siya. And I'm just applying it on my inner corners as well. Let's apply a little depth on the outer corner. Pero gusto ko tong color combination na to, Diba? Medyo glam tuloy yung datingan. Nag-enjoy ako, mga te. Enjoy ako sa paglagay. And then, syempre, para pangmalakasan, i-apply natin yung brown sa ating lower lash line. Sobrang impressed kasi talaga ako sa K-palette, especially yung mga brow products, yung mga pen. Talagang naglalash siya for one day kasi nga ito one day tattoo. So I have here an eye pencil. Ito eyeliner siya na color brown, which is perfect for everyday. Let's see kung talagang manlalaban ito for one day. Ayan siya. And I will be applying it on my lash line. Medyo mataas yung expectations ko sa eyeliner na to, mga besh, kasi one day tattoo to ng K-palette. And alam natin na kapag mga eyeliner pencil, sobrang prone nila to smudge. So, we will see later sa ating wear test. And for our cheeks, I'm so excited to try this. And I'm so happy na nakuha ko siya on sale kasi again, isa to sa mga items na nakikita ko sa mall. Pero pag nakikita ko siya, parang, okay, this is not the time for me to buy you. Pero matagal na akong tempted na itry siya kasi nga, this is from the K-Palette's One Day Tattoo line. This is their Lasting Cheek Tint. When you open it, ayan, opaque. This is a cream blush and it's on color red kasi ito yung mga perfect na pang drunk blush. And you know me, guys, even in the morning, in the afternoon, lalaban tayo sa ating drunk blush. Pero pag nakita nyo, medyo hint lang siya ng red. Hindi siya yung pang malakasang red. And ayan, let's apply it on our cheeks. One day to, 24 hours to, Tignan natin ang lasting power nito. Drunk blush ba ako hanggang gabi? Let's see. At dahil nga tayo ay nag-cushion, tayo ay bawal natin siyang i-rub. Natin siya, i-pat. For this cheek tint, it's very subtle to the point na kailangan ko mag-build up pa ng layers. And huwag kayo ma-intimidate sa pagiging red nito. Very little on the nose. Back! Sweet girl from the east is back! In fairness, I love this tint. I love this cheek tint. Sana mag-last siya na whole day kasi medyo mataas expectations ko sa kanya and I can see myself using this on a daily basis. Since we're done with our cheeks, I'm putting on my lipstick. And sobrang dami kong choices ng lipstick. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagamitin ko, guys. Ngayon, inisip ko kasi gamitin tong tint dahil alam naman natin na long-lasting siya. And this is also on sale, guys. And this is one of my favorite na pang-everyday na tint na shades, the Maya from Colorette. And you know how much I love color tints. Itong Maya, nag-iba yung color niya sa akin eh. Parang kapag ganyan, di ba makikita nyo brownish siya na shade? But when I blend it, nagiging ganito siya na parang orange. I don't know, maybe it's my skin. Yes! I love the look. It's very dalagang Pilipina. I'll be topping this look with the lip gloss. The Chris EB collection na tinted lip gloss. And it is perfect for everyday na para hindi niya kang dry yung lips. So, this is it for our look. Sinet ko lang everything with a powder. Kasi, parang unfair naman sa ating makeup products kapag winner test natin siya nung walang setting. Kasi agad talagang manghulas ang makeup kapag hindi natin siya sinet. Pero anyway, I will bring you guys to my wear test. Malaloka na lang kayo kung nasa na tayo next. So, wear testing this makeup today. Ginawa ko ulit yung routine ko kagabi. Papakita ko sa inyo saan ako pupunta later. Ayan, but this is the look for today. I hope it lasts. So, I just finished eating my first meal and ayan, nakita nyo, mayroon pa rin tayong lipstick. Actually, it's a tint and it's still there. My color print sa ating lipstick. Can't wait to show you guys where I'm going. Hi guys, so I'm here at the airport and ito na ating current face situation. I already wore my eyeglasses kasi hindi ko talaga kaya mag-contacts ng super early. And ayan, ito na yung nangyayari sa face natin today. Nagbe-break siya sa my nose area. But it's normal with my eyeglasses. But dito sa area na to ay very, ano siya, hindi siya naglalast sa nose area ko. Ang isang factor ay super puyat ko. And you know guys, when you're super puyat, yung makeup hindi siya kumakapit na maayos. So ayan. But my lips, it's gone already. I had my breakfast, I had my coffee. Ayan. But the kilay is still there and also no smudging eyeliner. The kilay is still there. And also the cheek. Yan, kita nyo guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, matulog kayo kung saan tayo mag-wear test. And today, we are in Boracay! So, ayan guys, wala lang. And then, I'm here for a wedding. And this is an update on our wear test. It's already 2:15 in the afternoon. And this is my current makeup situation. Honestly, it's getting cakey on my under eye and the nose area. Again, sinabi ko kanina, isang factor ay dahil sobrang puyat ko guys. And whenever I'm puyat, the makeup doesn't really stay that long on my face. So, ayan. But I'm super impressed with the eyeliner and the tint kasi kung ano yung color niya simula nung nilagay ko siya kaninang, ano oras ba yun? 8 AM ay ganyan pa rin siya. The kila is still there and the eyeliner doesn't smudge guys. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Pero yan. So, it's already 3:30 PM and we're heading out for lunch. Sobrang late lunch. But, ayan, I reapplied my lipstick kasi hindi ko caring wala. Kaya ko mag-commit dun sa foundation natin na hanggang mamaya after namin kumain. Ilang oras na ba? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 7 hours into the wear test, we can see na the blush is still there. I still have eyeshadow and the eyeliner, but the cakiness, God knows, charing. Welcome to another part of the wear test wherein, ayan, ba't di tayo mag-makeup tutorial sa e-try? Chas. Ayan, o diba? Ito, sama-sama na tong alikabok at sand. Traffic! Nasa EDSA na ba tayo? Guys, so it's already 5 p.m. and we're already 9 hours on our wear test. And gusto ko nang tapusin dito yung wear test natin. Gagabi na din and para nakikita nyo pa rin yung aking look. So nakikita natin the creasing here and the nose area, but still the cheeks, it's still there, and also the brows, and also minimal eyeshadow na lang kasi super init, guys. And nakarami na rin ako na-edit ng IG photos. So, but the eyeliner is still there. And yan, nawala na naman yung ating lipstick. So, this is the result of our wear test. It's been 9 hours since this wear test. And I'm really impressed with the kilay and the tint especially. And also, the eyeliner. Sobrang promising eyeliner, guys. So, it's really worth it, especially ngayong sale nyo sila bibilin. Ibigyan ko pa ng chance itong nag-cake na BB cushion. Maybe, again, the skin is not cooperating. It's really hard for my makeup na kumapit. This is the end of my wear test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is it for today's video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so happy I was able to try new brands and I was able to recommend new brands to you guys. Yung mga talagang naglalast the whole day sa ating wear test. And ito mga makeup na ito, you can score them up to 90% off. Sobrang bongga, guys, kasi it's Lazada's mid-year sale. So, on July 12, guys, mark your calendars. Ngayon pa lang, add nyo na sa cart nyo. Lahat ng products na ginamit ko and everything I showed in this video is linked in the description box below. Comment down below your favorite item na nakita dito sa video na to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram at HelenOnFleek, on Facebook and Twitter at HelenOnFleek. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Bye!